Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the new addition to our family. So I have been wanting a dog for the longest time, like a very long time. And recently, my aunt's dog, who is a Shih Tzu, she got pregnant after a long time because my aunt didn't want to get her pregnant. And she actually finally got pregnant. She mixed her with a Yorkie and she gave me one of the puppies and I'm so excited. She is the cutest thing ever. She's actually really big. I'm really surprised at how big she is. I have never seen a dog this big. Are you guys ready to meet her? Okay, hold on. Let me go get her. I'm not sure if I can grab her because she's so heavy. Okay, are you guys ready to meet her? She is a girl and she's so cute. I present to you guys Milah. So we decided to name her Milah, and this is Milah. She is the cutest little thing I've ever seen. I was being sarcastic. She's not cute at all. She is already gonna be 7 weeks, and this is how big she is right now. I hope she doesn't get too big because her mom is actually really small and the dad is a Yorkie and he's actually smaller than the mom. So I'm really hoping that Milah doesn't grow too much. But this is our new baby and we love her so much already. Life with Milah right now has been very crazy because the first night, she's just not used to us, and the first night she cried so much. But the good thing is that Carlos really likes Milah. So he got up all night and he came and laid down in the living room with her. We did leave her in our room, but she was just crying so much and he didn't want her to wake me, so he brought her to the living room. And the other nights, because we've already had her for like 3 nights, and the other 2 nights she's actually been really good. She's only waking up like 2 times a night now, and sometimes we put her between us because she likes falling asleep like on my neck or something. She likes feeling that somebody's there. And yeah, so she's getting a lot better at that. The only thing we're struggling with right now is potty training her. We usually take her outside and she's pretty good at going to the restroom, but she always has her little accidents in here. But yeah, this is Milah. Say hi, Milah. She's the cutest little thing. Say hi. She's a really good puppy. I'm actually surprised because she's really good. Considering that she's so little and that she's still so young, she's been doing amazing. But yeah, I'm so happy with her. Everybody who comes and everybody who sees her, they're like, oh, she's so cute. She's just so little. I'm actually scared that I'm gonna like step on her or something because she follows me around everywhere and I'm always like, where is she? And then I'll see her like behind me and it's just this big, this tiny little thing. So I'm so scared that I'm gonna step on her. I really do hope that she stays small, but I mean obviously not that small, but I hope she doesn't grow too big either. Like I said, her parents are both really small. I know they're not more than like 7-8 pounds, so I can't wait to see how she's gonna look. So I'm actually gonna give her a bath real quick because she is getting a little smelly. She had an accident today. I took her outside to go to the restroom and she had an accident, so she's gonna have a bath. I haven't given her a bath yet, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm actually scared, but let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. Okay guys, well now I'm gonna give her a bath. I did warm up the water and Carlos is gonna help me. He's on daddy duties.
Just got off of work.
He just got off work, but he has to help me. And because she is so little, I'm just gonna put her in the sink. It's too hot.
For real? Oh yeah. I think that's good.
Okay. Here, give me that little towel, please. Okay, can you hand me her towel? I think she's ready.
Yes, babe.
This is gonna be her towel from now on, okay? The pink one. Ah! She's out of the... She just had her first bath. Milah, are you cold? Look at her. Look at her. Look, put the camera on her. Hey. Are you cold, Milah? Look at her. Her hair. She's got so much hair. She was born with so much hair. Carlos, how do you feel about having a puppy?
I love her.
You love her?
Yeah.
Aww. Okay, well, she is out of the bath now. Look, she had her first little bath. How are you feeling, Milah? So usually once we get home after work, we take her out to potty. And then Carlos gets home and he's always playing with her. I think she likes Carlos more than she likes me, actually. Milah, are you cold? And that's her little teddy bear that she snuggles with.
She don't come.
I don't know why she loves messing with Carlos' beard. I don't know what it is with his beard. She's like biting it. I think it's because she's teething. She just wants to bite everything. Okay guys, well this is Milah. Her hair is a little wild because she just had her bath and I blow dried her. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for our next video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Say bye, Milah.
Alright, that'll be good.
Bye.